What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a pheasant hunt. It's the opening weekend of pheasant hunting and got Jayda with. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright guys, we're gonna start walking this grass stuff. I've had luck with this in the past and just saw like 4 or 5 roosters flying over here. So Jayda, hey. I got him. Good girl, Jayda, here. This might be hard to find. Jayda, you fetch it up. Dead bird. Dead bird, Jayda, here. Over here. Jayda, come here. Better get reloaded. Shoot, I thought she was coming to me right away with it. Now I don't know where it is. Jayda, right here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. It's not too far from where I am, I don't think. Dead bird, Jayda. My accuracy is just terrible today. Jayda, come here. That was probably the one I shot. Ah, he got away. Oh, nice buck. Jayda, here. Just kicked out a pretty nice buck. That was cool. Might have been laying right there. Jayda, what do you smell? You smell something else? There's another deer bed. Jayda! Jayda, come! She's way out there. Oh, folded that one. Let's go. Good girl, Jayda. Fetch it up. Finally got one. Holy crap. After I missed about 9 times this morning. Fetch it up, Jayda. Fetch it up. Fetch it up, Jayda. That one definitely did not run. Yeah, there it is. Let's go. Here's our first pheasant in the morning. Younger one. There it is, Jayda. Good girl. Good girl. Put this one in my vest. No, get. Go get it, Jayda. Hen. Shit, that might have been a rooster. That got right up there. I couldn't tell, so wasn't gonna shoot. Shoot, now there's some getting up over there. One of them was a rooster for sure. Jayda, come on. This way. This way. Go get the bird. Go get the bird. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it, Jayda. Jayda, come on. Come on. There's two, baby. Let's go. Fetch it up, Jayda. Dead bird. Dead bird. Fetch it up. Good girl. Good girl, Jayda. Come on. There's two. All right, we just need one more. It's another young one. Not as young as the other one. All right, Jayda, we just need one more. Make sure I got them all loaded. Yep. Okay. All right, guys, we just got our second pheasant here. We're just, hopefully we can get one more, get our limit this morning. Jayda, fetch it up. Fetch it up. Some geese. Go get it, Jayda. What? There's a pheasant landed. We'll go that way, I guess. Start making our way back to the car. Landed a little bit past those trees, a little to the left of them. Hen. That was a really young rooster. I didn't want to shoot that one. God, that was so young, it looked like a hen. If we don't get one before we get to the car, I might drive around for a little bit and then I'm gonna call it. But still, two ain't too bad. So, pretty happy with that. Jayda is doing really good. First pheasant season. Fetch it up. All right, guys, so I was walking this grass here over by those trees and stuff, and that first pheasant that I shot at flew over here and I puffed him real good. I thought he got away. Sure enough, sitting right over here, right across the other side of the road. Driving by, looking for one more pheasant to shoot, and I look out the window and see him sitting here. That is crazy, the luck that I found that guy. That's awesome. Jayda, where's that? Get it, get it. Come on, good girl. Here, good girl. That is just crazy that I found that one. Well, I guess that's 3. That's limited out on pheasants. Let's go. Drop it. Jayda, load up. Load up. Good girl. All right, guys, we just finished up the hunt. Got Jayda Got our 3 birds. All pretty nice ones. This one's a little small, I guess. But yeah, should get some good meat off these guys. I'm gonna clean up these birds. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.